feel so weary and dry, you ever feel you're out of strength, but you should not be so forever, but let the greatest among you serve. He is in our midst as the one. He is in our midst as the one who serves. So let him serve you in your spirit. Open your heart and let him in. By calling his name, oh Lord Jesus, he comes and serves in every way. Let him serve you in your spirit. Let him serve you until you're fully filled with him. And now he's serving in your spirit. He's spreading out in every way until we're fully saturated and we become the serving ones. Let us serve him in our spirit. Shepherd his church, fulfilling the dream of God. He is in our midst as the one. He is in our midst as the one who serves. Let him serve you in your spirit. Let him serve you until you're fully filled with him. Let us serve him in our spirit. Shepherd his church, fulfilling the dream of God. Let us serve him in our spirit. Shepherd his church, fulfilling the dream of God. Serve you in your spirit. Let him serve you until you're fully filled with him. And now he's serving in your spirit. He's spreading out in every way until we're fully saturated and we become the serving ones. Let us serve him